some of the functions that we're going to need to write are: number one, a function that randomly generates an individual; number two, a function that randomly generates a population. Next, we're gonna have to define the mating function. So how are two individuals gonna mate? Two or more individuals, but for this problem, we're just gonna make it two. The next one is: how is an individual gonna be mutated? So yeah, we have mating, mutation, and selection. So basically, we're gonna have to write the function that selects the best individuals out of the population. And well, that's about it. And then we'll have to write the function that sort of puts all of this together, that runs the algorithm basically. So I'm actually gonna start with that one. So assuming that we have all these functions written already, I'm gonna write the main function. So what did we say we need, right? So first of all, create an individual. The second one, creating a population of size, population size. The next one is going to be the function by which we mate the parents, and we have to pass it the parents that we want to mate and the number of offsprings that we want to get. Mutate individual. And obviously mutate population. And finally, select best. Function which selects the n best individuals from a population. Shout out to Juice on Medium for inspiring this algorithm. Thanks, Juice. Keep doing what you're doing. You're doing a good job. Okay, cool. Now let's get onto the coding. We're gonna start with the last function, which is running the genetic algorithm. So as we said, the first thing we want to do is create a population of individuals. So we're gonna do that. After we've created the initial population, we're gonna start running. We're gonna start going through the generations. And in each generation, what did we say we want to do? We want to score every individual. We want to take the best and select best. We want to take the best n individuals out of that population. We want to mate them, and then we want to mutate them. And we want to do this for n generations times. So let's write the code. So again, select best selects the best individuals out of our population, and in that function we're going to actually score all of them and return the best ones. So for now I'm just gonna write it like this. Next, we want to mate the best individuals. And we want to create out of those fittest parents. We want to create the same number of children that the previous generation had. So we want to create generation size individuals. And finally, we want to mutate those newly created individuals, some of them. And finally, after we've run through all the generations, in the last generation, we're going to select the top 10 individuals and we're going to return them. So that's about it for the genetic algorithm. It's quite a simple and neat optimization algorithm. In the next video, I'm going to define the create individual and the create population functions. Stay tuned.